I'm so happy you're home, Hugh. He's so cute. I can't take it, seriously. I love you. 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 That was Will Ferrell. I love you. 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 From Elf. Yeah. He's so flipping cute. I can't take it, you guys. I'm absolutely in love with this parrot. He's the perfectest parrot ever. His name's Hugh. Hugh. When we were in the store, when I got him 2 days ago, I held him on my finger and I said, Hugh. You like that? It kept him calm. And he hung with me. Yes, you're pretty, your beautiful feathers. Oh, you're a big boy. And you're so pretty, handsome boy. Yeah.